scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Finding the equivalent Boolean expression for this nested code segment is fast if you track the logic carefully. Let's solve this problem now. The code starts by setting B1 to true, but then it checks if num is positive. If num is at least 100, B1 flips to false immediately. Watch this. When num is 0 or negative, we enter the else block. Here, B1 becomes false if num is at least negative 100. This covers a specific range of values. Combining these conditions, B stays true only when num is under negative 100 or between 1 and 99. Option E is our winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush, trust given logic, and check steps carefully.